The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power lift gate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.